There's a garden beyond the fading maps, where time forgets to flow. Silver bark and silent paths and roots that dream below. A song was born from a broken heart, a soul that chose to stay. Now every dusker echo starts to guide the light astray. Where the nightingale sings, the forgotten still breathe. The stars bow down and shadows weave. Not every truth has voice or wings, but you'll know it where the nightingale sings. No gates, no guards, no marked terrain, just quiet in the air. But seek the song with greed or pain, you'll find nothing there. She sings not for the world to hear, but for the hush between the years. A hymn to hold the moment still, beyond the grasp of human will. Where the nightingale sings, the forgotten still breathe.